Today I'm going to create an NFT for the ATM collection. I'm not connected to the project, but I would like to receive ATM as a token. So what I do is I write ATM collection. I put ATM in heaven as title. I select the category, which is digital art. Token taxon, I'm just going to use the 0 because it's not really a collection. So, and the floor price is 10 XRP. Just to keep it simple, I'm just going to copy the name in the description. For the external URL, my advice is if you don't have a website, use your Fuzion profile link. Now, as you can see, mine is already programmed in the system. And then you choose the file. And then you select the file that you want to create an NFT for. So now you have the option, and what you can do is you just click create. So you can decide which currency you take. In this case, I will take the XX. It's 100 XX to create one NFT. I click on payment. Now we go to the next phase. Just wait for a little bit. It's uploading the image. And you click create. So the NFT was created successfully. Let's see. So now I click on the NFT. And as you can see, the NFT was created. You can decide to mint it. So when you mint the NFT, you can decide on the royalty. Now in this case, 5%. I'm not gonna mark only XRP because I want to take another asset. So I click on mint NFT. I go back to my wallet. And there I have another sign request for the mint NFT. Submitted successfully minted. And then you can put it on sale. Now, when I click on sale, you can choose on which currency you would like to put it on sale. So let me check whether I can find ATM. So in this case, ATM. And let's say I want to have 1 million ATM. I click on sale NFT. Of course, I have to go back to my wallet. And in my wallet, I can also see that the amount is 1 million ATM. I put in my passcode. And the NFT has been successfully placed on sale for 1 million ATM. I hope this video helps. And as you can see as well over here on the picture, ATM 1 million. So hopefully this video will help you to better understand, and good luck minting.